Welcome back, guys. In this class right now we are going to learn about the interface of STYLE3D. In STYLE3D we have the this side, it's the 3D, and this side is the 2D. Okay, so we have two screens, 3D, 2D. Okay, here, this is where you're going to have all your flat drawings, and here is where you're going to have your 3D. Let me show you by what I mean. If I draw a triangle, let's say, right, I'm going to draw it in the 2D and it will appear in the 3D. Yeah, and if I want to look at it 3D, I do it in this space here. But if I want just normal flat, I edit it from here. So we're going to be using these two mainly. And then let's talk about the library, which is important, the CLO library, the STYLE3D library. You have a STYLE3D library here. Once you hover over here, this block that you see is your library. Your library is going to have everything. Once you download the app, you're going to have everything that comes with it. You're going to have the garment, avatar, fabric, graphic, trim, and the scene. So whenever you need to add something to the scene, here is where you're going to come. For example, if I want to add, let me first cancel what we have on the screen, this that I did. So in STYLE3D, I'll be using a lot of shortcuts. Okay, the keyboard has many shortcuts and I'll be using those, but once I have taught you what they are for, then we'll be using them a lot. So for now, I can go here to select and move. If I want to move it, I use that one. You can also use it here. Okay, but if I want to select the point or a line, I use this edit pattern tool. Edit pattern tool doesn't so right now I want to delete, so I have to pick the whole thing and then delete. So let's go back to our hi guys. If you're enjoying this course, be sure to check out my course on Udemy. It's only $14. It's the masterclass for CLO 3D, and also I have a masterclass with connecting STYLE3D to Blender 3D. So be sure to check those courses out. I'm going to leave the link. Please, that's the only way you can support me, because I'm offering this here for free. So if you want to support me, go over there and buy my other courses. Thank you very much, and let's get back to learning. Resource library. In the resource library, we are looking for an avatar. So you see in the resource library, they'll give you big shape, boy, girl, male, female, hanger, male. So I'm going to get a female, of course, and then I'm going to right click. You right click and then your female will appear. You open, and then your female is going to appear in your 3D panel. There she is. Okay, and then in the same place, you're going to find garments. These ones, that some of them are the ones you've designed, you'll be saving them as garments. Once you can save it as garments, it will be, if you say save as a garment, it will appear there. If you say save as project, then it will be a project on its own that you can open with the STYLE3D. And then you can also save the avatar on its own, and then you can also save the scene, right? So now that we are here, let me close, and you've seen all of that. And yeah, you're going to be using a lot of the library. So we've added our avatar, and the next thing we are going to do is to start constructing the garment. So see you in the next class.